Looking to upgrade your car's audio and charging capabilities without replacing the whole stereo system? Bluetooth FM transmitters are a game changer, and the latest Bluetooth 5.4 versions are faster, clearer, and smarter than ever. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitters that bring high-end features to any vehicle. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the GemCoo Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. The GemCoo Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is a powerful all-in-one car accessory that enhances your driving experience with cutting-edge features and sleek design. Built with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it ensures faster pairing and stable connections for seamless wireless music streaming and clear hands-free calling. Its dual fast charging ports, PD30W and QC 3.018W, keep your devices powered up rapidly, making it perfect for long road trips or daily commutes. Designed to deliver an immersive audio experience, the hi-fi bass sound system turns your vehicle into a mobile concert hall. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlists or making phone calls, the deep bass and crisp sound elevate every moment behind the wheel. For hands-free convenience, the transmitter features a one-touch button that instantly activates Siri or Google Assistant. This allows you to make calls, send texts, or get navigation assistance without distractions, enhancing both safety and functionality. A stylish LED ambient light adds a modern touch to your car's interior, while the clear digital display ensures visibility even during night drives. You can easily view battery levels, FM frequencies, and adjust settings at a glance. Combining audio, charging, and voice control in one compact device, the GemCoo Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is a smart upgrade for any car. It's ideal for drivers who demand performance, safety, and convenience, all wrapped in a sleek and practical design. Coming in at number 4, the Gxy Kit Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. Transform your car into a smart, connected hub with the Gxy Kit Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. Designed for seamless use across any 12V, 24V vehicle, this compact device offers a premium audio experience by leveraging the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology. Whether you're streaming hi-fi music or handling hands-free calls, you'll enjoy fast pairing, ultra-low latency, and crystal-clear sound without a single wire in sight. The Gxy Kit goes beyond basic functionality with intelligent design features. Its smart plug-and-play system ensures effortless operation, while one-touch controls let you manage music and calls with ease. Safety is always a priority. With a built-in LED voltage monitor and 360-degree triple protection system guarding both your car's battery and your connected devices against short circuits or sparks. Setting the mood on the road has never been easier. The transmitter includes 7-color ambient LED lighting that syncs with your music, creating a dynamic in-car atmosphere. Thanks to smart auto reconnect and memory functions, the device remembers your FM station and lighting preferences every time you start your engine. No need for repeated setup. Universally compatible, the Gxy Kit supports iPhone, Android, tablets, and nearly any Bluetooth-enabled device, making it ideal for any vehicle, old or new. Backed by a generous 24-month warranty and responsive VIP customer support, you're guaranteed peace of mind on every drive. With advanced connectivity, stylish visuals, and uncompromising safety, the Gxy Kit Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is more than just an accessory, it's a road trip essential. At number 3, we have the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. The Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is designed to transform your in-car audio and charging experience with an array of advanced features and thoughtful details. Sporting a vibrant rainbow light design, it adds a touch of personality and ambiance to your drive. For those who prefer a distraction-free environment, the lighting can be easily turned off with a long press of the B button. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the transmitter ensures a faster, more stable connection with reduced sound quality loss. This upgraded chip allows for near-instant pairing and automatic reconnection, eliminating repetitive setup every time you start your vehicle. Dual microphones enhanced with CVC noise suppression and echo cancellation enable crystal-clear hands-free calling, while seamless Bluetooth or USB drive music playback delivers consistent high-fidelity sound. For those on the go, the Syncwire FM transmitter offers efficient charging through dual USB-C ports with up to 42 watts total output, allowing two devices to charge simultaneously. Built-in safety protections guard against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring safe power delivery at all times. The sound quality is further elevated with hi-fi deep bass. A single press of the B button activates dynamic bass enhancement, offering an immersive audio experience through your car's stereo system. Whether it's a daily commute or a long road trip, this transmitter enhances every mile with powerful sound and effortless convenience. With a generous 36-month warranty and lifetime support, Syncwire also backs its product with dependable customer care, ensuring peace of mind long after your purchase. Next up at number 2 is the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. The Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter redefines in-car audio and convenience with its feature-rich design and cutting-edge technology. Equipped with a bass boost function activated by a single press of the B button, it enhances audio playback with deep, powerful bass while maintaining high-fidelity stereo sound for an immersive listening experience. Whether you're streaming music or taking calls, the Joyroom transmitter delivers clarity and richness that elevate every drive. Dual microphones integrated with CVC noise reduction and echo cancellation ensure crystal-clear hands-free calls. Users can effortlessly answer, hang up, or reject calls while keeping their focus on the road. Charging devices is equally efficient thanks to its 81WP fast charging capability, which includes a 45W PD 3.0 and a 36W QC 3.0 port, both optimized for fast charging compatibility with popular devices from Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, and Google. Built with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 chip, the transmitter offers faster, more secure, and more stable connectivity. It supports both Bluetooth streaming and U-Disc playback, giving users flexibility in how they listen to their favorite tracks. The 7-color LED light bar adds a touch of style and improves nighttime visibility, while an LED indicator displays real-time voltage for added awareness. Designed for wide compatibility, the Joyroom transmitter supports 12-volt to 24-volt cigarette lighter sockets and works with 99% of smartphones. Safety is also a priority, with built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. Automatically reconnecting to previously paired devices, the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter makes driving more enjoyable, connected, and safe. Finally, at number 1, we have the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. The Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is a stylish and high-performing companion for any car journey, offering a mix of design, innovation, and utility. One of its most eye-catching features is the rainbow light effect that adds ambiance to your ride. This glowing accent can be easily turned off with a long press of the B button, giving drivers complete control over the aesthetic experience. Communication is made clearer than ever thanks to its dual microphone system and CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology. This intelligent setup picks up voices from every direction while suppressing road noise and wind, ensuring both ends of the conversation remain sharp and distraction-free. In terms of charging, the Syncwire transmitter delivers up to 54 watts of total output through its PD 36 watts and QC 3.0 18-watt USB ports. This setup allows users to power up 2 devices simultaneously with 4 times faster speed than standard chargers. It also includes built-in protections against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, offering peace of mind during every drive. Equipped with upgraded Bluetooth 5.4, this FM transmitter ensures a faster and more stable connection with significantly reduced latency and sound quality loss. Pairing takes just 1 second, and once paired, the device remembers your phone for future use without the need to reconnect. For audio enthusiasts, the deep bass enhancement feature stands out. With just a tap of the B button, users can activate hi-fi deep bass for a richer, more immersive stereo sound experience. Whether it's a phone call or your favorite playlist, the Syncwire Bluetooth FM transmitter transforms everyday car rides into something extraordinary.